The benefits of morning exercise. Start your day off right with a quick morning workout. Doing a short 15-minute or half-hour workout before work or school can give you a boost of energy to last you into the afternoon. Benefits of exercising in the morning. Exercising in the morning has more health benefits than the obvious ones. Besides burning calories, working out in the morning can also encourage you to eat healthier, boost your energy throughout the day, improve focus and cognition, put you in a better mood, lower your risk for diabetes, help you sleep better. How to change your routine. If you want to start exercising in the morning, you might have to make some lifestyle adjustments. Going to bed earlier and eating a good breakfast are two key components. One study from the European Journal found that it takes 66 days on average to establish a habit. Don't get discouraged if you stray from your routine or have difficulty getting out of bed. Like all other regimens, establishing a morning workout routine will take time, dedication, and intention. It might help to start by doing it 1 or 2 days a week, then slowly building from that. Or, you may need to start by practicing waking up early. Give your body time to adjust to the changes you're demanding of yourself. Exercises for the morning. As long as you're exercising, it doesn't matter what you're doing. You'll be more likely to stick with your routine if you pick an activity you enjoy. This could be going for a walk around the block, doing 10 jumping jacks while your shower is heating up, holding a plank for 30 seconds, doing a quick 10-minute yoga routine. Morning workouts have an edge. Working out in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, is the best way to burn stored fat, making it ideal for weight loss. That's largely because the body's hormonal composition in the morning is set up to support that goal. In the early morning hours, you have a hormonal profile that would predispose you to better metabolism of fat. People naturally have elevated levels of cortisol and growth hormone in the morning, both of which are involved in metabolism, so you'll draw more of your energy from your fat reserves. That can potentially help with weight loss. Research also suggests that morning exercisers may have less of an appetite throughout the day, which could also help protect them from putting on pounds. Even if you hate early alarms, working out first thing in the morning can quickly become second nature. A research found that exercising at 7 a.m. may shift your body clock earlier, meaning you'll feel more alert in the morning and get tired earlier in the evening, potentially priming you to get enough rest to wake up and do the same thing the next day. Some research even suggests that it's easier to stick to healthy habits completed in the morning. A morning sweat may also lead to better mental health and productivity throughout the day, since exercise is great for reducing stress. But if you're really not a morning person, don't force it. Finding time to exercise can be challenging, and the most important thing is to squeeze in any amount of it whenever you can. But if you want to optimize your workouts to get the widest range of benefits, you might want to try exercising in the morning. Remember, doing something is better than doing nothing. You don't need to work out for half an hour at the gym for your morning activity to count. Thank you for watching us on Daily Health, and don't forget to subscribe.